Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to replace a RAM 1500 antenna. First, gather your new antenna and an adjustable wrench. Make sure your truck is parked safely on a level surface before you begin. This easy method requires minimal tools and can be completed quickly, often in under 5 minutes. It's a straightforward process that anyone can do to restore their radio reception or update their truck's look. Now let's remove the old antenna. Locate the antenna base, which is typically found on the passenger side fender of your RAM 1500. Take your adjustable wrench and firmly grip the base of the antenna. Carefully turn the wrench counterclockwise to loosen the antenna. It should unscrew without much effort. Once loose, you can simply twist it off by hand. With the old antenna removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully align the threads of the new antenna with the antenna base on your truck. Begin turning the new antenna clockwise by hand until it's snug. Once you can no longer tighten it by hand, use your adjustable wrench for a final, gentle turn. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the threads. Finally, perform a quick check to ensure your new antenna is securely attached and standing straight. Hop into your truck and turn on the radio to confirm that your reception is clear and strong. This simple replacement can significantly improve your listening experience. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.